In an interview with the Peeping Moons, Swara says to watch outsiders' film rather than boycotting the insiders. She also calls out media and audience as the force for the creation of the star system. Being asked about the insider outsider debate going on right now, Swara Bhaskar says being an insider or outsider is about privilege. That could be for any industry, for example, Bollywood, modeling, business, fashion, even in rickshawala family. She says if you are born in the topmost family in the business, then you will have an easier access, and this could happen in any of the industries like politics, fashion, modeling, journalism, media, and etc. She says that your birth has nothing to do with you being a good person or a bad person, or having a good behavior or a bad behavior. When Swara joined the industry, she too felt like any other outsider about the Star Kids, that how easily they get their debut and how their struggle is much more easier than the outsiders. But her viewpoint changed after she became friends with the Star Kids, especially Sonam. I have felt this personally, that some of the most professional co-actors have been the Star Kids and some of the most unprofessional co-actors have been the outsiders. Abusing your power and your privilege has nothing to do with where you're born. After a point, we should not judge people for where they're born. She goes on to saying that the star system is created by the audience and the media. She goes on telling that the Bollywood or Saif and Kareena is not the reason for his stardom. It's the media, the audience, and the Instagram pages. She even says that Taimur Ali Khan has much more popularity than any other stars in the Bollywood right now. Swara also goes on to give an example of Ali Faisal's film in Hollywood, where he shared his screen with Judy Hedge in this movie Victoria and Abdul. She said that Ali is doing such stellar performance in Hollywood and Indian media is writing ridiculous headlines about it, and the trailer also got few likes. What about unemployment, economic problems, hunger problems, rape, which is such a big epidemic in India, and murders? Is all that solved and only Bollywood is the only problem in India? For more such Bollywood updates, keep on watching Sharmila Showhouse Bollywood.
I think, Sharmila, if you always believe that everything that you do.
Hello everyone, I'm Vicky Kaushal and you're watching me on Sharmila Showhouse.
Absolutely fantastic to appear on Sharmila Show for the very first time, and keep watching the show, and I hope to be back soon.
Great honor to be here. Thank you so much.
Keep on watching Sharmila Showhouse because she brings the most unbelievable topics to you.
Keep watching Sharmila Showhouse. It's a great place to find out deep insights about people.
Be progressive, be positive, do yourself, understand your duties more than your rights.
It was lovely talking to you, Sharmila.
You train for all kind of roles.
Hi, this is Barun Sukti and you're watching Sharmila Showhouse.
It was a great pleasure to be with Sharmila ma'am.
Hi, मैं हूँ सचिन जोशी और आप मुझे देख रहे हैं शर्मिला शो हाउस पर.
Very good friend and a journalist. My best wishes to Sharmila.
Happy to be on Sharmila Showhouse.
Hi, I'm Arjun Mathur and you're watching me on Sharmila's Show House.
Thank you for having me here.
So all the viewers of Sharmila Show House,
Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for being a part of this interview. Thank you for having us.
इनका शो देखते रहिएगा.
And you're watching Sharmila Show House.